nearly there. One last feature to add in, and that is this revolve, this kind of disc that we need to create that's got a portion cut out of it. Okay, and really the important information is this section view here. Okay, now when we look at this, we know from the center point to the edge is 50.2, so that's a radius there, and we know its thickness. So we're going to go with that for a moment, and we can give its position here to the center point, 46.5. Right, now let's look at the way I'm going to approach this. I'm going to take it from a side-on view. Alright, I'm going to take it from, let me see which side, you can see the kind of views here, there we go, side-on view. Right, and I'm going to start sketching. Okay, I'm going to open a sketch. Okay, now I need to sketch in the center of this here. Okay, so this is great, I get to show you a new feature here of creating a plane. Now, I can't sketch on this because it's curved surface, and I want to get something that's slicing through there, and currently none of my planes slice through in the orientation that I want for this. But my front plane is very close to that, so what I can do is I can make a plane off that. Now if I go into features, reference geometry, create a new plane. So plane just gives us a flat surface that we can sketch upon. Okay, so if I take this plane and I want to be able to sketch directly in the center of this. If I look at it, sorry, not normal to that plane, if I take it around here, if I just go normal to this plane, okay, I'll take off that reference for the moment. You see, this is the new plane. The blue plane is what I'm creating, and this is my reference one here. So what I want to do is I want to go directly into the center of that. So first thing I need to do is flip the orientation, and I want to measure out how far I need to go. Okay, now I was told my starting point was 16.4 from the edge. Okay, that brings us up to here, and again we were told, we just go back into here, we were told this diameter is 14.4, so 7.2, so add on another 7.2, we should be bang in the center of that there. So now I'm sketching on a plane that's directly in the center. So I'm going to use that plane, I'm going to sketch, open up my sketch, and again I'm going to look at it directly above it. I'm going to sketch out a center rectangle that's going to follow along that point, and let's see why I'm doing this here. Again, I can give it some dimensions. I know its thickness, I believe it was supposed to be 7, height 50.2 from the center, so 2, and we know, so I'm going to type in there 50.2, and we just got to make sure that didn't shift from our center point. So type in the center line, see that it's shifted off a wee bit. We got to be very careful with that, and draw that, make sure that's straight. Match that up. And remember, we did this collinear, we can make them two on the same line if we make them collinear. Just keeps that there. And again, that's 46.5 to the center of that. So let's measure that. 46 and point 0.5 to the center. Okay, now we're going to do a revolve. And when we revolve that around this axis here, you see it'll map the whole way around, and it'll give us a full disc. And we're going to look at just a couple of different variations when I'm setting this up. But we've seen how to create a new plane there, which was really good, using one of our original planes as a reference.